Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Alexa's Garden. In this video, I want to show you how to plant and grow cucumbers in the open ground or in the greenhouse, and show you some nuances of cucumber care. Are you ready? Sowing cucumber seedlings. I use cucumber seedlings for planting in the open ground and in the greenhouse. This method speeds up the process of growing cucumbers in my winter hardiness zone 5B. Cucumber seeds germinate at an optimum temperature of 60 to 64 degrees Fahrenheit on the 4th or 5th day after sowing. They are a heat-loving vegetable. Therefore, while the soil warms up, it is better to sow cucumber seeds in the house. How to do it? Watch my video about sowing cucumbers. I think it will help you to sow cucumbers on time and correctly. Planting cucumber seedlings. Cucumber seedlings for planting in a permanent place is ready as soon as the 3rd and 4th leaves appear. Usually in my winter hardiness zone, the optimum time to plant cucumber seedlings or cucumber seeds in open soil is as soon as both the air and soil warm up to at least 53 to 59 degrees Fahrenheit. Look, my cucumbers already have those true leaves, so I've already planted them in the greenhouse, and the first cucumber fruits are coming soon. The optimum temperature for cucumber growth is 64 to 68 degrees. Therefore, I am never in a hurry. Where to plant cucumbers? The best place to plant cucumbers is a warm but not hot place in a greenhouse or vegetable garden. Choose slightly shaded places protected from the wind. Cucumbers care: watering, fertilizers, staking. Cucumbers, I water with warm water, feed with compost. See how I do it. I mulch the soil surfaces under each cucumber plant with compost, and then water with warm water. In this way, cucumbers grow quickly and quickly form fruit. Now, another important point of care for cucumbers. You need to water cucumber plants almost every day. Make sure that the soil does not dry out. Loosen the soil after each watering. I also remove tendrils from cucumber plants because they have a sticky substance and can damage the leaves of the plant in the greenhouse. It is better to stand the cucumber vines up. Tie the plant to a vertical post so that it has less contact with the soil. This way, you will prevent fungal infections. Harvesting. Already, on 40 to 45 days after planting cucumber seeds, you will get the first fruits if you chose a soon-to-ripen variety or hybrid cucumber. Look, I already have little cucumbers. Cucumber fruit under favorable conditions grows 1 to 2 days, so you can harvest cucumbers almost every day. I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you for watching, subscribing, and commenting. Have a nice day.